Ahoy there everyone, Captain Billy J here, and today I'm going to give you a room tour here at the Residence Inn here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Let's take a look, shall we? This is room 225 up here on the second floor, right next to the stairs and the elevator in the back part of the property. But all the rooms are on this side. But let's go ahead into 225. I did receive an upgrade to this room. So this has a sofa. We also got some plugins, USB. Got some literature, a lamp. There's the sofa. Remote for one TV right over there. Got a nice desk workspace here with also some plugins and USB. Not the greatest view from this place. But it's got a roof, and we can see other hotel rooms. But there's another view. But first, let's take a look at the kitchen. So this has a kitchen, actually a full-size kitchen. It's got the freezer, fridge. I'll show you the fridge. It's got my leftovers from our meetup. Got a nice sized microwave. Got a little stovetop. You have a sink area, one sink, got like a coffee maker, and I got a dishwasher. So excellent. And I believe there should be, yes, some dinnerware and glasses and coffee mugs. So this is like a kind of a fully stocked place. Just the power cord up there. Probably not much in here. Just got some storage though, if you want to store some things. Let's take a look at some of the drawers over here. Yep, we got some silverware, some cooking utensils, we got a can opener, peeler, and a toaster. We also got some couple of pots and pans, and looks like we've got a garbage, couple recycling and garbage, and then a little dish soap too, and washcloths. So yeah, nice little kitchen area. Now this deal has a little space here to put your bags. You want to put by the door there. And I got a little bar set up here. We got breakfast there, got a couple of chairs. Alright, and we showed you the TV. Let's go ahead into the bedroom. So, kind of cozy in here. Not much room, but there is another TV. And the bed. Phone. We got 110 outlets, USB, remote. Drawer, got the Bible and Book of Mormon. Got a couple of drawers underneath the TV. So your air conditioning comes through. Another drawer. And USB and 110 outlets. And then this one, you do have a little bit of a view of the pool area. So we've got the pool. So let's see part of the pool. So anyways, so that is the view up here. I had to close those for privacy. And then we have one last room to check it out, is the bathroom. Your thermostat is right here by the bed. Trying to cool it down a little bit. Let's go into the bathroom area. I'll turn on some light switches. So yeah, we do have one sink here. Got a mirror, towels, tissue paper, got soap. Over on the opposite side, we have an iron, got some hangers, got an ironing board, got some extra blankets. We're going to need it here in July. And we've got a safe, as well as some more hangers. Last but not least is the bathroom. So we do have their toileting area. So plenty of space there. Got the beautiful shower. Unfortunately, not a removable shower head I see, but hopefully the pressure is good. It does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Snack tray, handlebar, little seat for your ladies, shave your legs, or guys. But yeah, got a nice little shower area. And that is pretty much it. So, bathroom, sink, bedroom. Anyways, that completes our tour here at the Residence Inn in Orlando, Florida, just a couple miles down the road from Disney Springs. Staying here for free thanks to a gift card I won and a sweepstakes. So far so good, except for trying to get into the room. So I got keys, came up to the room on the second floor, Try them, couldn't get the door open. Tried them again, couldn't get the door open. Didn't have them next to a phone or anything, so they shouldn't be demagnetized or whatever. Went back to the front desk. She said, okay, I'll send someone up. I'll try these keys again. So I went back up, tried the keys again, no go, can't get the door open. Went back down to the front desk, talked to another person. She offered to take me up to the room to do it, to get into the room with me. And she went ahead and she did the same thing I did, but she pushed a lot harder than I did. I think I loosened up the door, but she said that they do stick a little bit because of the humidity, and she was able to get the door open. So the keys do work, it's just that the door sticks. So found that out. But anyways, other than that, no problems. I'll let you know hopefully at the tomorrow. I'll let you know how well everything is, how the water pressure is, and how my stay was here. Because we're right off the interstate. I-4 is just right out over here, and we've got the pool right now here. So, but that closes at 9 o'clock, and then I do have a breakfast in the morning. And yeah, so anyways. Oh, hey there everyone. Captain Billy J here. This is the next day, so I stayed one night here at the Residence Inn, and here's an update. The shower pressure was great. Yes, I actually took a shower twice even. They haven't, this is a fixed shower head, but at least it's, they have different settings, and they were great. Water pressure was good, so do recommend the shower. And then the bed was very nice. I had no problem sleeping in bed. I need a couple more hours of sleep, but I gotta get on the road back to Pensacola, Florida. But anyways, I had a great stay here at the Residence Inn in Orlando, or Lake Buena Vista, Florida. I'll put the address in the description of this video. So. you guys enjoyed this room tour here at the Residence Inn. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified of when I post a video like this or go live. This has been Captain Billy J signing off, and I'll see you guys later. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related, YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J